Hello, this is Nicholas Peterson for Team Saren. This is the final project. I didn't make any real changes to the database. I attempted to do more on the admin side of things, but I was having problems. Uh, as you can see, I was trying to do my stuff using forms and using Razor, but whenever I would go navigate to the page, uh, none of these things would show up. It wouldn't render at all. Like, it doesn't even show up when I when I inspect the HTML. It's not there, and I wasn't quite sure why, and I couldn't find the answer. And it might be do something because I have these as partial views. I have this as a partial view, but I don't know. So instead of banging my head on that for however long, I moved on to something I think I could do. I moved on back to my category displays, and I made it so products would show up on right when you actually went to the page, and that the buttons at the bottom, the pagination buttons, would highlight as you click through them. And I also made it so it wouldn't break if it couldn't find an image. Like if it searched the database and it couldn't find an image, I made it so it would not break. And I also did some work on the cart so that you could actually you would go to a cart summary if you said yes, I want to go that way. And I was working on deleting an item, which I wasn't actually gonna, I guess, delete anything. I was gonna just remove it from where is it? I was just going to remove it from my session variable here, and I was gonna have the Ajax in here. I was just trying to have it basically hide the line or the div that that was going to be the product, because I have it, as you can see here, I have it going through each thing with my cart summary view model, and it's displaying each model in a div. And I was just going to basically hide that div. I mean, the worst comes worse, somebody finds the div and they make it unhidden, but they can't do anything with it because it's just a visual thing. So even if they somehow made it unhidden and still hit purchase, it wouldn't record that as being part of the cart. But I figured hiding it was the easiest thing to do because I didn't really care if somebody found it hidden. So that's basically what I want. So I guess now I shall run it so I can show you. And hopefully nothing breaks, like computer coders want to do when you show it off. Alright, as you can see, everything's still normal. I didn't figure out how I want to do the categories yet, so I still stuck with just all the products. As you can see, I have products. I purposely just did it to 3 because I don't have very many products. I wanted to show pagination. You can see I got different, and I think this one will show up. See, no pictures, but it doesn't break it like it was doing. Then you can see at the bottom here how it changes numbers, and there's no page load, it's all Ajax. But then you can click here. Obviously it's not like very fleshed out, but I have my image and the name and the price and some stuff. And then I have my add to cart, which I fixed. So when you add the one to the cart, so it's added to cart, and you can proceed to the checkout. So click on that, and here's my cart summary. I have lipstick, this price, this one of them, and I have I believe a total cost. I guess I forgot to put some headers here, and this was going to be my delete. So I believe the delete actually works, but I didn't find the right way to hide it. And so that was pretty much what I did. I can't say I spent as much time on this week as I usually would, because I have just final stuff. All right, that's it.